How to fix Rockstar Games Launcher could not be found on Fivem. Now in this very quick video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your Rockstar Games Launcher could not be found on Fivem. This is very easy. So the very first thing that you want to have to do is to locate the main file folder of your GTA Launcher. So in my case, I have it in my File Explorer, this PC, local disk, users, and then onto my name, and then locate the main folder of GTA. So here's what you need to do. Once you pull up the main folder, you just need to copy the folder address, and then open up your Fivem folder. And then on Fivem folder, you should see Fivem application data. Now scroll down and then look for the .ini file right here, which is going to be citizen fx. Right click that, and then choose on edit. In here, what you need to do is to erase this file location and then paste or whatever your specific main folder of your GTA 5 launcher is located to, and then go to File and hit on Save and try to relaunch your GTA 5 launcher if it will be found 5M. So those are the things that you can do for you to fix Rockstar Games Launcher could not be found 5M.